Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show and tell you what is Meta AI in Messenger. So the Meta AI in Messenger is a conversational artificial intelligence assistant integrated into the Facebook Messenger, and it aims to enhance the messaging experience by providing you with quick, intelligent, and interactive responses to the queries. And this is through this video, I'm going to show you an overview of its features and how you can use it. So, Meta AI can answer questions and provide information and help you to navigate Messenger more efficiently. It uses natural language processing on NLP to understand and respond in human-like way. So Meta AI can assist with generating text for messages, including ideas for replies, creative writing, or summarizing conversations. And here, I've already on the Facebook Messenger apps, and you can, if you want to use it, you can access it by opening the app, and you can start conversations with the Meta AI by searching for Meta AI in the chat bar in here, like this, and you'll see the Meta AI, or you can also select it from the suggest from here if you already use it. You can ask questions or request assistant. Okay, let's open the chat tab. In here you can ask questions like asking for the weather. What's the weather today? And for example, can just hit on enter and they will answer the questions. Okay, you can also request creative tasks such as suggest the captions for this photo. You can provide a photo here. Can you generate captions for this photo? Can hit on send first. Okay, the photo is about a family of three looking at the beach when the sun is set. Okay, you can click on send again, and they will provide you some suggestion for your photos. You can also use Meta AI to manage chat or settings, or explore messages features like polls and group management tools. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.